how to use product opportunity explorer per sale, search volume by keyword, click share, and conversion share. So according to body certain post, if you don't have helium 10 which you sell search volume by a keyword, this is a preview where you can see how the conversion rate per a keyword change over time. So let's see how this tool help us. Search, this is the search term customer search per that keyword, and the total count past 60 day and a growth as past 90 day and a growth past 180 day. So here is the demand. So click share and search by conversion. So what is the mean of click share? The click share mean which show how many click or product got at all of the click part the keyword search term. For example, my keyword is a goli gummy. The total number of click per this keyword in a day is 1000 in a click, and our product receive only as a 330 clicks. So how to divide this 330 divided by 1000 and across 100 equal. So 33% is my total click. So this means our product got only 33% of the total click per that keyword, which is a good, because we are attracting a large part of the traffic. So search by conversion rate. So search by conversion rate tell us how many people actually bought our product after searching for a keyword based on the number of people who click. For example, for the same 330 clicks my product trip. So we got 15 sale for those from this 330 clicks. So search conversion equal to 15 divided by 330 cross 100. So 4.5%. This means only 4.69% of people who click in my product after bought. So let's see the trend. So our primary search by volume, our secondary series by conversion. So here is the product search volume 71,647 is a search conversion rate is 4.45. So here is the search volume is increased, and conversion is also is increase. So this is the easy way you can find search volume by keyword search in.